after you place a central line on that patient, come and find me and let me know when that kills.
Go, Heathy, go!
Dr. Goss, I just wanted to tell you I really enjoyed your rounds this morning, and I'm going to work harder so you don't just think of me as a, what was it?
A helpless, vapid, incompetent ass kisser.
Actually, I don't remember the ass kisser part.
It's because I just added it now.
It's great. Makes it hurt more.
Great.
Katie.
That's one. Oh, quick, bring on the next one.
Disgusting. You're just under so much pressure. I've been there. Oh my god, my first week here, I totally screwed my best friend JD just slipping him around. Well, not literally screwed. I mean, yes, later we did it. Reasons. And honestly,
Go, Heathy, go!
we are dating now. Got it. Don't bother.
Well, that's the point. They're icy poles. They're meant to be cold.
You're totally right. I told you in bed 4.
Oh, and you've been going over a minute now.
Used to be a
Howie.
DJ.
Syphilis.
Get out of here.
Right now?
You don't have to eat beats that drop on the floor.
Why do I hate that guy?
So, how long have you two been dealing with the lung cancer?
We're on to number 3 now.
It was about a year ago, and since then there's been no beta symptoms, and his last chest scan showed no new lesions, so...
Speaking of new things, not the time to talk about your beard. I'm sorry, I interrupted you. Lesions.
Anyway, we've just been feeling so positive that we haven't even told our son about the cancer yet.
Jesus, go.
He's only 8. Hopefully this is just a minor. They're going to run some tests.
Mama.
He needs a new chest scan right away. Don't let those idiots in radiology hold you up.
2-minute mark.
Holy crap, I'll bust some heads.
She really is like having my very own Joe from Facts of Life. Throw her a bone so she knows she's growing on you.
Denise, call me JD. Dr. Goring's my father. Actually, he's Mr. Goring. Well, was Mr. Goring. He's dead, Joe.
This is number 4.
He called me Joe.
That one looks especially melty.
Oh, it is.
Just a little bit.
The lemonade ones aren't as good as the orange and raspberry ones.
Oh, no.
That's alright, you'll get through it quicker if you don't like it.
Oh, fuck.
Forget it, guys. I'm keeping the beard. Chicks dig on the extra fuzz. Tell me about it. I need to get on 2% of your
Oh my god, it's Grandpa!
guys. Can somebody give me a high
250, and you're on to the final icy pole. It's the final icy pole. Do-do-do-do.
That's alright.
Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do.